Welcome back to another video. My name is Angela and I will be your host. I hope that you enjoy. I ran across these fantastic creations from the creative folks at Pinterest. There are some really great ideas on this list and I'd love to recreate one myself. Please vote for your favorite in the comments below and give a like indicating that you voted. Once I get 100 votes or 100 likes, I will recreate the winning idea. Use waistbands from several pairs of jeans to make this unique bag. Start with some lace-covered thick elastic, cut the seams off of your jeans and roll them up into a circle. Use hot glue to attach the pieces you just made to the elastic bracelet. Add some buttons and some other embellishments and you're all set! What a beautiful purse! It features cutout flowers and leaves, some buttons, some appliques, and some rolled up pieces of jeans. Cut the seams off of some jeans. Fold your seams up in a fan fashion. Use strong thread to go through the fan strips. Place a bead in the middle if you like. Find a plain pre-made bag. Cut hearts out of denim and other fabric. Glue them all over the purse. To start, make a base of strong wire for your tree. Sew denim rings from small to as large as the base of your tree. Place the rings on the base and decorate however you like. Follow the diagram to make these beautiful denim flowers. Find or make a base for your tree out of some foam or wire. Cut the seams off your jeans and roll them up into circles. Glue the rounds to the base and add some embellishments. Make 2 circles out of some old jeans. Sew them together, leaving a 1/4 inch out for the edges. Make several. Put them in the washer and dryer to make the outside fray. Now use your coasters for the drink of your choice. To make this necklace, make several strands of denim. Attach some denim flowers and other types of flowers to the necklace. To finish, add a clasp to the back of the necklace. What a beautiful purse! This time, I want you to tell me in the comments how you think this was made. Use 2 belt loops to make these unique earrings. This one requires some sewing skills. Make a plain purse out of denim in the same shape of the purse that you're making. Glue or sew the diamonds to the purse as shown in the picture. For the back 2 purses, use the seams of your jeans to place on an already made purse. Use glue or sew them on. Finish your project with a leather handle if you wish. What a unique idea! Place several parts of jeans onto a footstool or bench. We're not done yet, but I wanted to thank you for watching the video. And if you're getting value, please be sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you don't miss another creative post. And a thumbs up would really help the channel so I can continue making videos. Thank you so much for watching. Be sure to subscribe if you got value out of this video, which you know you did. And then go ahead and hit that thumbs up button to help push it out to other people that can get value out of this video. Have a fantastic day and thanks for watching. Peace out.